Good afternoon, Yate, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Phrase of the Day. Today's Navajo phrase of the day, I'm going to teach you how to invite somebody to a holiday dinner. If you were to invite somebody to a New Year's Eve dinner, you would say, Náháahgo díínááł, díínááł. Náháahgo díínááł, díínááł. Náháahgo means for the new year, díínááł, we're going to eat. Díínááł means come over. Now nihaa means to us, díínááł means you'll arrive, but collectively it means come over. And that's what you would say if you're talking to one person. If you're talking to two people, you say Náháahgo Náháahgo. If you're talking to three or more people, you would say Náháahgo come over. And that's today's Navajo phrase of the day. Náháahgo díínááł, díínááł. Have a good evening and Happy New Year. Díínááł.